What if you could create a full ebook from writing to design without being a writer or designer at all? Sounds impossible. But in 2026, AI makes it very real. Right now, thousands of people are building and selling ebooks online as digital products using just a few simple tools. And today, I'll show you the top 3 tools that make the entire process fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. First is ChatGPT, your AI writing assistant. This tool is like having a professional writer in your pocket. You don't need to struggle with ideas or worry about writing skills. You can simply ask ChatGPT to create your ebook topic, outline, or even full chapters. For example, if you type, "Create a beginner ebook about making money with digital products," it will instantly generate structured content for you. Introduction, chapters, tips, everything. This alone can save you days of work and remove the hardest part of creating an ebook, writing. Next is Canva, the design powerhouse. Once your content is ready, you need to turn it into something visually attractive. That's where Canva comes in. Canva gives you ready-made ebook templates that you can customize in minutes. You can change fonts, colors, add images, and design a professional-looking cover without any design skills. This is important because a well-designed ebook doesn't just look good. It also builds trust and increases your chances of selling it online. And finally, Designrr, the automation tool for ebooks. Designrr takes things to the next level. It allows you to turn text, blog posts, or even ChatGPT content into a fully formatted ebook automatically. Instead of manually arranging pages, Designrr helps you structure everything cleanly and professionally in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to create multiple ebooks quickly or repurpose content into digital products for passive income. So when you combine these 3 tools, ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, and Designrr for automation, you basically have a complete ebook business system in your hands. You don't need experience, you don't need expensive tools, and you don't even need to be an expert. Just an idea and the right tools.